The teanglann.ie website enables the user to do a single search to find different types of information about a particular word. If you write in Irish regularly, it's important to use this resource. There are searchable electronic versions of O'Donnell's Folklore Gaeilge Bearla and de Valdre's English-Irish Dictionary, the two dictionaries that have been the main reference sources for the Irish language community for over 50 years. Also on the website are a grammar database which gives inflected forms of nouns, verbs, adjectives and so on, and a pronunciation database with sound files in the three major dialects. The English version appears by default, but you can view the Irish version by clicking on the word Gaeilge at the top of the screen. To search for a word, type it in this space. The noun ollamh, professor, for example. And because ollamh is an Irish word, priority has been given to the entry from O'Donnell's dictionary. Information is given here about the grammar of the noun. It's masculine, for example, and here are the forms of the word in the genitive singular case and in the plural. And since only one entry is given for the plural, that means that the same form is used in each case. Na hollúna, for example, the professors, and offici na nollúna, the professors' offices. And here are the various meanings of the word ollamh. These are the entries about the word in An Folklore Bug, which is an Irish dictionary. And this is all the information given in de Valdre's dictionary about the word ollamh. To find information about the grammar of the word, simply click on this tab. It's a noun, it's masculine, and it belongs to the first declension. Ollamh and tullamh, professor, the professor, and in the genitive singular, ollamh and ollamh, offic and ollamh, for example, the professor's office, and the plural forms, ollúna na hollúna, professors, the professors, and the genitive plural, ollúna na nollúna, offici na nollúna, for example, the professor's offices. And to listen to the pronunciation of the word in the three dialects, click on this particular tab.
Olú,
ollamh,
ollamh,
By the way, this pronunciation resource is very useful if you want to compare, for example, a broad and a slender consonant in a noun, argid and argid, for example. You can search for the version with the broad D first, argid. Then right-click on the tab in your browser, select Duplicate, and search for the version with the slender D, argid, in this new tab. It's then easy to compare the broad D and the slender D. We'll listen to the broad D first,
airgid,
and then the slender D.
airgid,